There's no way in hell. That was way too fucking loud. You hear how loud that is? That way going? Holy fuck, that's way too fucking loud. As if that ain't no damn unoiled sled. Take it with the. Oh. That ain't no fucking. That's way too fucking loud.
Plus, it sounds exactly the same.
Okay. Let's just wait. That was fucking creepy, man.
That was really loud.
Okay. And Jimmy.
Eh?
Jimmy.
You're supposed to learn when it's too.
Can I get another lemonade? Can I get a... Wait, here it is. That's that whistling. Just give me a teeth. You hear that whistling? It's like... This is friggin'... That's scary. I'm just waiting.
Where was it?
The sound was coming from up there, over there, like by where like Petro. That's scary, man. Especially how it was just like, this could go viral. This is scary as hell. Shut up. Just fucking. There it is.
That's a transport. That's a truck.
No way.
Yeah. Faulty brakes.
No way. That's a damn truck.
Yeah, it's the truck just went by.
That's way too. Like just listen. Oh my god, that's so cool.
Wheels are frozen.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy fuck, this is cool. That's a fucking bike, man. That's a truck too. The clown's like wearing that one. That's scary. Okay.
That's that. No, no, no.